Welcome back to another video, guys. We're just going to do a quick little video today on the dash. I'm going to show you some diagnostic and some neat little features you can do on your dash of your EF Falcon, so stick around. Now, would you look at the lengths I go to get you guys these great videos, these high quality videos I've got this sticky taped because I need 2 hands to do this video. I've got it all sticky taped and we're ready to go, so hope you appreciate it. Okay, so the first thing you do is just hold down your trip reset button for about 10 seconds. You'll be able to hear some stuff happening in the background, so just hold on to it. And then when you hear something happen, turn the ignition on. And then go 1, 2, 3, and then hold it. And then let it go. And then forward will come up, flashing up. And then you know you're in police mode. There you go. Or diagnostic mode, or whatever you want to call it. I think they call it like chaser mode because it has a digital reading of your speedo. And I guess if the police are following a vehicle and they want a more accurate reading, that's what they can do. And once that starts flashing up, you can start pressing what you want. So I've only got 7 litres of fuel left in the tank at the moment. So yeah, I need to fill up there. Yeah, so the second one is just the bottom line is just the coolant temperature. So yeah, 58 degrees. Press it again. The third one is will be engine RPM at the top, and the bottom is the vehicle speed, once you're going. Then we'll go to the fourth one, which is oil pressure at the top and battery voltage at the bottom. And then number 5 is just instant fuel consumption, and then instant fuel consumption per kilometers per litre at the bottom. Number 6, so number 6 is the fuel consumption. I think it might be total litres of our fuel it's ever used. It's total litres, or and then bottom one is the average fuel consumption, but it's 0.1 litres. So it's really 9.67 litres per 100. I think that's what it's meant to mean. Number 7 is buffered fuel tank level. So yeah, I've got only 9 litres left. And the bottom is the buffered fuel tank level sensor resistance. That doesn't really mean much. Number 8 is just gear position, obviously, so I'm in park. Number 9 is I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, that's a weird one. Same with this one, some random thing. What else? Yeah, I don't know. The other ones are a little bit, don't even really know what they mean. So you can try, maybe someone can work them out and try and find out for me. But yeah. So, and then we get back to, it's gone to nothing. And then we get back. So anyway, to get out of it, I could start the car up, I guess. Start the car up. And then we can go through, then you'll be able to see it come up. Engine RPM, so give it a rev. There you go. And then once you start traveling, obviously, I'm just in park, but if you start traveling, that'll be how fast you're going. So yeah. And then at the end, you can either just hold that down to get back to your normal dash, or you can literally just turn the car off. And then once you turn it back on, no, maybe you have to turn it off for a while. That's a bit weird. Otherwise, you just hold it down for a few seconds, and then it'll just go back to the normal dash. Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. Hopefully, yeah, here we go. So yeah. So also in that you can there's a way to get rid of your spanner. Actually, I think that's through the diagnostic mode, or I'll do a video on that too, because a lot of people, that's probably what a lot of people want to do when they do their own service. They probably just want to turn the spanner off. But anyway, thanks for watching another video.